Hey guys, hope you are doing very well today. Today is 10th of September. The market is correcting. So I'm Miklos Denkler from CorionX and bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin news, NFT and DeFi, interesting things every day. So let's get into our favorite bubble chart. Let's see how the market is doing today. The market is correcting a little bit. So you see most of the altcoins are just giving back. Also, Phantom, Near, and others that rallied yesterday and the day before. Solana just correcting, but few alts like Tezos, Terra Luna, Avalanche, ICX, One Harmony, Kusama, Mina Protocol, and CL Out is just pumping. So let's check our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, and let's see where are we now. So it shows that we are at 46, so it is in the fear zone, but close to the neutral zone. And as you remember, a few days back, the index was at 70 and 79 levels in the greed zone, and now corrected back. So we'll see if we are just coming back to the fear zone, or this is just temporary correction as what we see on the market. So our first news is that Bitcoin price just risk losing weekly uptrend as NFT launch sends Tezos to 3 months high. So this is why Tezos is pumping. So why Bitcoin bulls failed to find momentum for a full recovery from Tuesday's major price dip. So as you remember, on Tuesday, during when El Salvador just made Bitcoin a legal tender, the market corrected, and that was a kind of manipulation, a long quiz, and who the hell knows what was the real reason, but the market corrected more than 15%, and from that Bitcoin is just sidewaving, and for now it seems to be also the price started to going down again. So around 46,000 Friday after reacting near 47,450 the day before. So Rect Capital says that Bitcoin were reacted as this here on this trend line and came back to this zone and is now side waving. So that outshines the rest. And yes, so let's see what Tezos is doing, gaining 24% on the day to become the best performing cryptocurrency. The pair hits 6.53, its highest since mid-May. So Tezos is not at the all-time high, but forming a kind of cup and holder formation. Okay. They are just doing this Doja Cat NFTs, and they are handling 400k daily transactions for the first time this week. Meanwhile, the largest altcoin Ether bounced off established support against BTC in a move that had CoinGraph contributor Michael van den Poppe excited. Expecting new highs, he forecast after ETH BTC reversed upward at 0.071. So the Ethereum bounced against Bitcoin, so that can be a good sign for Ethereum for further outperforming Bitcoin. So an interesting news, Ethereum Layer2s reportedly processing more transactions than Bitcoin. So we know that Ethereum is a layer 1 blockchain, like also others like Tezos, EOS, Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Atom, Phantom, and many more, but have several layer 2 solutions that making the Ethereum blockchain more usable. This is Matic and also Arbitrum and few others. So we are an average gas cost of $40 US. It's no surprise that layer 2 platforms are surging in terms of usage. Okay. Layer 2 ecosystem is now processing more daily transactions than the Bitcoin network, according to recent findings. Layer 2 protocols proceed around 250,000 transactions for the day, whereas there were around 210,000 on Bitcoin. So it's 40,000 more on Ethereum Layer 2s than on Bitcoin. So that's huge. Okay. So let's check also, this is to DeFi and transactions and others. And it's the newly launched Arbitrum One platform is already attracting big names in DeFi, including Aave, Chainlink, and Uniswap, which is exploring several Layer 2 options. Also, Uniswap deployed its version 3 protocol on Optimism in July. It also powers a Layer 2 version of the Synthetix Quanta DeFi trading platform. Okay, and also don't forget about Polygon, about Ethereum. A strategy lead at Ethereum Layer 2 technology aggregator Polygon, Sanket broke down some of the statistics for the network, revealing that smaller transactions were dominant. So smaller transactions is dominant. And also we have, according a Layer 2 fees, Loopring, this is the first Layer 2 solution, remains the most cost-effective platform for transferring Ether, costing just 0.4 at the time of writing. So Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, and Loopring. So let me know, guys, in the comment section if you know any other Ethereum Layer 2 solutions, and maybe there are some just new solutions that are coming out. So, and also please smash the like, push the bell notification on, and subscribe on the channel. Also, I find this news really interesting. It was more than a year ago that global hash war will send Bitcoin to 500,000. Analyst Max Kaiser says it's only a matter of time before US challenges Iran and Venezuela on crypto battlefield. So not on the real battlefield like when it was for the oil, but now for the Bitcoin hash rate. And this happened not the same as he predicted, but very similar, because this battleship started with China, and also China just kicked out miners, and that was a good opportunity for the US to win this hash war, and mostly not against Iran and Venezuela, but against China, and they gained more hash rate. They attracted more hash rate into the US with this than they would expect from Iran or Venezuela. So this is just for interesting, just mention it. So, and also this means that somewhere in the future, Bitcoin will reach 500,000 US dollar. Okay, one of the major news today. Payments giant Mastercard buys CipherTrace to enhance crypto capabilities. Yes, so Mastercard crypto capabilities, according to release, CipherTrace allegedly has insight into more than 900 cryptocurrencies. Okay, sounds good. Have CipherTrace data analytics capacities to help customers convert on their opportunities across 7,000 plus cryptocurrency entities. Okay, we have companies, whether they are banks or cryptocurrency exchanges, government regulators, or law enforcement, to keep the crypto economy safe. Our two companies share the vision to provide security and trust throughout the ecosystem. We are thrilled to join the Mastercard family to scale CipherTrace reach across the globe. So that's huge, guys. So they acquired, and definitely this is a sign that Mastercard entering the crypto space. Okay, so they are paying and getting paid to transforming economies, making them more inclusive and efficient. The rapid growth of digital asset ecosystem comes the need to ensure it's trusted and safe. Our aim is to build upon the complementary capabilities of Mastercard and CipherTrace to do just this. So this is a huge news, and also we know that Visa is building its own crypto infrastructure and also will provide it to other banks. That was a news a few days ago in this week. Okay, so let's go to our next news. Hollywood. Crypto arrived in Hollywood. CryptoPunks are headed to Hollywood. CryptoPunks and their creators, Larva Labs, are packing their bags and taking a walk with the stars. Punks have found their way to being the first crypto-native intellectual property to secure representation with a major agency. Okay, nice. So they will create a TV series, if I'm right, and also that I think Hollywood will enter the NFT mania and also the crypto industry with this. So definitely you should take this really serious because they are entering this market. Okay, one of the first opportunities for an IP that fully originated in crypto world to enter a broader entertainment space, and they earned it. Cool, so sounds good. Let's see how it will evolve. Our next piece of news is from the European Central Bank. ECB officially starts to investigate digital euro. Development could begin in 2 years. Oh, so the latest news was that they will create this digital euro in the next 5 years, but now it seems to be they are just speeding up. The European Central Bank says it's starting to investigate a digital euro by launching a 2-year investigation. So starting an investigation of a 2-year investigation. So guys, this is something like just politicians and officials can do that, starting investigating the 2-year investigation. So this is why things going really slow by governments, by regulators, by officials, because they cannot do things like a startup or a programmer or builder or a team is doing. ECB President Christine Lagarde believes the ECB should be ready to respond to people's demand for digital currencies and came up with a European-based solution that doesn't jeopardize the world banking system. So it sounds really a bit interesting. So then they suppose that crypto in general jeopardizing the world banking system. Yeah, it's not true, but also the world banking system will integrate Bitcoin and other cryptos. And I think the demand is not for just using the currency on the digital way, but also just be in this industry and growing with this industry and making money as this industry is going. So be in the Internet 3.0, in the web 3.0 and making money as all these crypto projects are growing and growing. So we are now starting to investigate what a digital euro might look like. This investigation phase will start in October 2021 and last for about 2 years. So 2 years investigation program. Okay, so that's for yeah, so I think this is quite enough, and this will be a CBDC, a central bank digital currency. I think the European population, the Eurozone, can find a lot of advantages also with the digital euro, but also maybe there will be some privacy issue that you at the moment you can enjoy using cash. So our next piece of news is also the NFT, the Utah Science NFT art projects CryptoPunks, Meatbits, and Autoglyphs exclusive. So this is also the TV video games that we discussed in the previous news. And our next piece of news is Senegal is worried over little progress made in developing a crypto city. So I don't know what they thought that this crypto city will be built within 1 year, but this is not true because things going much slower. And also that was the original post when Akon reveals new plans for his 2,000-acre cryptocurrency-powered Akon city in Senegal. Yes, so to build such a city, it's not from 1 year to another. So definitely I can understand, but why they are worried? So they invested the money in this or just waiting to enjoy the benefits. So don't procrastinate, guys. Don't complain. Don't complain. Okay, let's check the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, so today the market is correcting. Yeah, so this is yesterday there was a green candle. Now we are going down a little bit. But for now, for 44,000 holding the Bitcoin price. And as you see on the daily chart, that the green one is the 50-day moving average, and the yellow one is the 200-day moving average. So somewhere, maybe in the weekend or early next week, they will meet and they will cross. And also there was the test cross here when they crossed each other. And these are just the lagging indicators, so cannot just indicate the real movement. So yeah, that was this. Okay, here was it happened also after the big price drop, but a golden cross. So this would be a golden cross. So golden cross used to be a nice indicator. Well, after the golden cross, let's see, this was a golden cross here, and then Bitcoin shooted up 6.5 times from here. Also, other coins are mostly side waving or just correcting. Ethereum is down. Yes, 3,300. So the market is not looking very good for now. Also, Ethereum just broken back in this bull flag that were before. So definitely the market is not looking good for now. A few coins like Tezos and Luna are pumping well. So this is really nice what we're seeing from Luna. So that's nice. So yeah, hopefully this weekend will not just stacking in this correction. Maybe before closing the today candles, we will see some nice upward movements, as we used to see that in the past few weeks. Every weekend, Bitcoin and crypto started to pump, and on early of the week, Monday, Tuesday started to dump. But now it's a little bit different, and also this bullish market structure seems not continuing for now, but until holding this 42,500 and 41,000, that we can stay in on the bullish side. So that's it for today. Please smash the like, push the bell notification on, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friend. CorionX is supporting the crypto education, so that is why we are bringing you these crypto updates every day. So see you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.